update has come from the courtroom. Petitioner's counsel came out strongly, holding the DMK government responsible for yesterday's chaotic situation. Arguing before the bench, the counsel said that the state created the disorder, adding that temple officials were initially asked to light the holy lamp. He further alleged the police did not comply with the single judge's order, forcing the petitioner to move a contempt plea, after which CISF protection was ordered. The petitioner, Rama Ravikumar, continues to press his case firmly in the court. Let's go back to my colleague Dharini, who continues to be with us at this point in time. So, both sides clearly putting across their point of view, but petitioner there, making his point of view absolutely clear, how despite the permission, lamp lighting was not allowed.
Well, definitely it looks like both the sides are just trying to blame each other, because what happened in the ground yesterday was something very unfortunate. We were able to see a lot of push and pull happening between the protesters and the police department. And in the court today, before the division bench, both the state government side and the petitioner's side, they are just trying to throw blames at each other. Now the petitioner's side, that is Mr. Rama Ravikumar's counsel, he says that the state government is fully responsible for what transpired on the ground yesterday. We wanted very peacefully to climb atop the hill, and we wanted to light the holy lamp on the Deepatun. That was the only request that we were having. But the police department did not allow us to do that. The district administration did not allow us to do that. They imposed section 144 when there was no need to do that. So they were the one who were completely responsible for what unfolded in the ground yesterday, is what Mr. Rama Ravikumar's counsel is arguing in the court at the moment. But of course the state government is not ready to take the blame. They are squarely putting the blame on the petitioner, Mr. Rama Ravikumar. They say that the petitioner is fully responsible for what happened. So what we are looking at inside is a full blame gaming between the two parties. Both of them are just blaming each other for what transpired on the ground yesterday. But ultimately, I think it was the people on the ground, the common public who were on the ground yesterday in that location, who suffered the most because of the tense situation.
Well, whatever happens, the reality is that, permission was given. But despite that, we saw chaos unfolding on the ground. Of course, we'll have to wait and see, Dharini, what happens in the courtroom. There is blame game that's going on, but that does not really change the fact the permission was granted.
Well, definitely that doesn't change the fact the permission was granted by Justice G.R. Swaminathan of the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, not once but twice. In fact, initially the justice asked the temple administration to light the holy lamp on the Deepatun. When that was not complied with, when that order was not complied with, he subsequently directed the petitioner to climb atop the hill himself and light the holy lamp on the Deepatun by himself. But that was also not allowed to do so. So of course this is a severe contempt of court is what one can understand in legal terms.
Right.
But here inside the court hall today, before the division bench, the state government seems to be completely justifying this contempt of court.
Right.
They are telling that there was a law and order situation on the ground.
Right.
The petitioner was creating chaos, and in that situation,
right
we can
now
only
the
think
matter is in the court, so we'll see what comes out of it. For now, Dharini, thank you for joining us with your inputs on this story.